Mic check, microphone test.
Hello there and welcome to another video. This is JP1970. If you're new here, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Jason, aka JP1970. My channel consists mostly of motorcycle related content, drone stuff, some technology videos, and I gotta be honest, sometimes just a random video here or there. I've been doing YouTube for a couple of years now, have a lot of fun with it. I'm not a professional. I do this because I enjoy doing it. I encourage you to have a look around, see anything you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join me when I post some videos. Today, I want to talk about building the ultimate motovlogging helmet. Now what you're going to need for this is obviously you're going to need a helmet. What I've chosen is the Shoei RF-1200. You're also going to need a microphone. Have already had sewn in to the cheek pad of my helmet. You're also going to need an action camera. For my purposes, I use a GoPro 7. For everything else, I use a GoPro 9. But this is my motovlogging camera, and this is what I'm going to be mounting to my helmet today. I'm going to be using a chin mount. The last thing I'll be doing is putting on my photochromatic lens that actually gets darker when you take it outside. So anyway, that's what we're going to be doing today. If that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to figure out where you want to mount your camera. Okay, again, I've told you I've got this chin mount, so that kind of gives you an idea. I'm going to be mounting it right there. Okay, now GoPro does include some mounts for doing this, but there's also a company, and I've bought everything on this table except for these right here. These are a couple of products that RideTech Moto sent me. So what RideTech Moto does is they make these mounts for various helmets. Look at that, it's kind of designed and it fits perfectly on there. See that? So that is pretty slick. So it mounts right there, like so. That's pretty impressive. All right. It's got the 3M adhesive. So I tell you what, I'm pretty excited about this. It even looks like it's lipped a little bit on the bottom. I'll put a link down below and you can check them out. So get this thing nice and clean. Where I'm going to be putting the mount. So we'll wipe that off. Get that nice and clean. We'll let that air dry for just a second. I've done different things. I've done this setup different ways with different. I always use the GoPro mounts, and they sure don't make anything like that. This is my GoPro 7. I love using my GoPro 7 for motovlogging, and I've already got the case. I've got this right here. This is this holds that little adapter, that GoPro adapter. So you don't have to put it on the side of your helmet. Kind of cleans everything up. Now what's cool about this is they also sent me this mount, which is going to go perfectly on the chin mount, and it's going to put my camera right here. Now what I like about this, it's very similar to the one that I built using GoPro parts and Amazon parts. I mean, look at that. It's very similar idea. But what they've done is they've gotten rid of this guy right here. They just have an Allen bolt right there, and then you attach your mount like so, and then you can use one of the, no, actually, I beg your pardon, I actually recommend using one of these little bolts. You know what, let's just do that. Let's just do that. Okay, so we're gonna set that up. You need a little Phillips screwdriver. We are going to be ready to go. Okay, I'm going to just kind of put that down snug, and then so there it is using their mount. Ooh, that is nice and clean. Look at that. So we got rid of this guy right here. Ooh, that is cool. Okay, so let's go back to the Shoei here. So we've got the mount. I'm gonna just double, check, what do they say? Measure twice, cut once. So I'm gonna put, that is it right there. Okay, so let me peel this. Sorry about that. I got a dog here that wants to be in the video, it sounds like. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna take this. The adhesive is exposed, and I am going to, we'll try and get this right the first time. Wouldn't that be something? Okay, so get this where you want it. I like it right there. Line it up. So you get that kind of like you want it. See that? Lined up perfect. So now I'm gonna press and hold 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Now I'm gonna just kind of hold this down a little bit longer. I don't know what they recommend. What do you think? About 30 seconds or so. So let me see here. So I'm just gonna press that down good. Now look at that. That is incredible. Thing lines up just perfectly. Just like it was made for this helmet. I'm gonna just say, thanks, Ride Tech Moto. So I've been making all these different motorcycle videos, test ride videos, product review videos, etc., etc. And to this point, I have bought everything that I've talked about in my videos until this. Had this in my, the guys, they actually reached out to me about a month or so ago, told me they wanted to send me something. I had no idea what they were talking about, and then I went and checked my P.O. box, and it was in there one day. So check them out. Yeah, ooh, that is incredible. I mean, we got us a winner there, folks. I just can't get over what a great fit that is. My cheek pad, and I am going to put this back in. Now, I know somebody who sews, and what they did was I used the omnidirectional microphone, and they took care of me. If you know somebody that sews, that'd really help you out quite a bit. So what they did was they sewed this, the mic into the cheek pad, so that when it's actually in, let's see, I'm gonna have it, it'll be like right here, and then here is the cable that connects to the GoPro. So should be a pretty trick deal. Snap, snap, and then there's one more here in the back. There we go. So that is all snapped in. So I've got my microphone is going to be right here. I've got my cable that comes out here. Now let's take this. This is, again, their mount that they sent, and slide that in like so. And you can, once you get this exactly where you want it, you can fully tighten it down. Like I said, I'll just kind of set that like so. It's got these Allen, or rather this Allen bolt. We're going to go ahead and plug that into the GoPro, and let's check this for alignment. So there it is. So now it's not obstructing my view here, and I've got it plugged in Got it plugged in. Go ahead and plug that in right there. So there is the setup. Now let me take this, let me take my Photochromic Visor and put this on, and then we are going to be ready to go. Put that in like so. That clicks in, and then we'll do the same thing here on the other side. Okay, and that is a winner right there. So now, let's go ahead and put this on. Let's check it out. Okay, so there we go with the visor installed. Okay, so there we go. Take a look at it. There's from that angle, straight on, and then from the other angle. And that, folks, is how you build the ultimate motovlogging helmet. This one using a Shoei RF-1200 and using the mounts from Ride Moto Tech. Thanks for checking out this video, everybody. It's your pal, JP1970, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.